The experience here is unlike any other. We've actually been called the most unique hotel in Kentucky. There's a lot of history in this building, which is a hotel that was converted over from the Benham High School that was built in 1926.
It is an interesting place. I love it. I love the people here. The people that come in are so interesting, and they're from all over, and you get to meet new people.
My staff knows how to treat people, and they're not just here for a paycheck. Everybody that I have on staff, I can say with 100% certainty that they're here because they care about this place. They want to see people happy, and they give it their all.
I've cooked since I was a young girl. It was passed down to me from my grandmother and my mother, just as the other two cooks in here.
Thousands of immigrants came here, and you had them coming from all over the world, Italy and Hungary and Germany, everywhere. And they brought all these recipes with them when they moved right here in this small area. And things kind of got mixed into some really unique, nowhere else in the world you can find them dishes.
Our flavor profiles are localized and tuned to what we're used to, but yet they have a touch that is unique to us and to the area. Some of the favorites for the locals are our farmhouse burger that is made with, of course, our beef patty with lettuce, tomato, onion, mayonnaise. We put cheese on that and a fried egg. We serve that with fries and a pickle. We are also making our famous chicken bucket that is served with fries and Texas toast, a side of coleslaw.
I tell people I have the greatest job in the world. It's a special community right here in Benham. It's a very diverse community. It's a really unique, close-knit community. It gets in your blood. Something about the building, something about the area.
Just carry something that gets in your soul, you know, and you can't escape it. It's with you.
It's just something that you always remember, something I always remember, and it's filled with love.